The world has been changing since its origin. Humanity is the first race on the planet that had the power and ability to make an impact on how the world changes and to create their own environments to live in. We haven't always been aware of the consequences, but we are starting to understand. Innovation in technology has always given us the power to create what was not possible before. But sometimes, technology forces us to work with complexities that arise from innovation. Technology should not limit us. It should enhance us. It's time to give the built industry the ability to focus on their core mission, to build a better tomorrow. Our mission is to unleash the creativity of the builders of tomorrow through continuous innovation in accessible design technology. Our vision is to make the built environment tangible before it exists. Enscape. Visualize tomorrow.